What's going on, man? Hey, look, I haven't went fishing in a long time. I'm out here today, got my boy Mitch. He over there getting the ice together. It's gonna be a hot day today, man. We're looking at about 90-degree weather. It's gonna be a rough one. All these bugs. So hopefully we can get on a bite today, man. Definitely need one. Definitely need a good bag. I got a game plan in mind. In my mind, I have a game plan. Goodness, the bugs is crazy. And now all it's about is going out here and executing. So I'm over here, Mitch, getting the ice ready. Because it's going to be hot. And hopefully, you know, we can put some bass in this wonderful cooler loaded with ice. Oh, you can't see none of that. Yes, sir. What, the cooler stink? Cooler stink, we're going to close that. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay ready. Let's go out here and get us on a bag. Let's get this thing popping, baby. Get it cranked up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, working my baby. You working my baby, man. Hey. Got that 5 today. That's what we need. We need 6 plus 1. Get this day started, man. Start off with a little top water, man. We need to get us one quick. Put this up. I'm gonna give everything a try today, man. Ain't a lot of activity over here. I'm gonna try to do some cranking real quick, man. And I'm not a crankbait guy, but I got the Googling Squad, I think Recon, right? I think that's what it's called, right? I got one. You heard me? Get the net. Get the net. I think he just dropped it. Got one. Oh, is he gonna keep? Oh, damn. He ain't gonna make it, huh? Look at the back on that guy right there. Damn it, man. That sucks, bro. No, it doesn't. Hey, he was deep in that grass. I told you. Huh? No, it's just I hooked him right on the lip, bro. It's a clean catch right there. Damn.
We gotta stop catching fish when I'm tying hooks, man.
You got them pliers?
There's some right here.
Oh, they're right here. Damn. That's not gonna help us, man. Got one. Oh, he's too little.
Good catch though. Way to break the.
And there we go, y'all. Another one. This is not gonna get it, dude. Just not gonna get it. Time is it?
12.
Huh?
12.
I done caught more bass today than freaking. Goodness, man. Another one, bro. No keepers, bro. Goodness. I wonder if we found like a little home over here. Let's get this dude back in the water. All right, y'all. Another one. Dink City. Yay me. Thought he was a pig. Can't win, bro.
253.
All right. We don't get another one by like 3:30, a decent one. Got one. I don't know what he is though. Kobe. Oh, dang. No. my goodness, bro. And you made me lose my soft plastic. I hate the small ones, bro. They be doing too much moving. Yeah, Lee, these ones hurt, boy. Well, you too. There's another one for you. Hope you guys like it. Bassing ain't easy is trash. Ooh, and we give that a 10 out of 10. Landing immaculate. Got one. Oh, yeah,
I got it.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
That's that one.
I was just about to put the bug down. Bro. Let's go. Don't lose him. Here, give me that back. Ooh, here. You want to start it up or?
Yep. Yeah, let's put his ass right back in there.
Hold on, watch this. Yeah. That's a good one too. I was just about to put this down, broski.
Here you go. Oh, nope. Look at that turtle.
Got one. Got one. I don't know if we're gonna keep that. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. See the brush still shaking? I told you. Oh no!
Okay.
Damn, bro, he's little.
Did you say you want some size with them chips, boy? Is that what you said? He's what?
That bitch itty bitty, y'all. Damn.
Hey, I'm over here getting everything. Over here getting everything caught up trying to get over here.
Is that a fish?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
Hey.
Yes, it was.
That is a beautiful specimen right there, brother. Hey, yes, sir. I want to show y'all this right here. And then I also have like the swim bait later. I'm going to show y'all that. It's pretty dope, man. He ate that, bro. That's and everything.
There you go.
Hey. Sometimes, I done caught so many fish a day. It's crazy. Sometimes you got to bring out the big guns. A little Wagdina, Uni Knot, Gary Yamamoto, Green Pumpkin Black Flake. And I'm telling you right now, this thing is crack. Watch this. Bass bite instantly when you throw this. But maybe not right now, but that'd been pretty cool, huh?
That one?
Yep. Big ass tree. Bass, what? Alright, y'all, this is my 30th bass today. Not a big one. But, hey, better than none. See if we can catch one for you guys on camera, on the big cam. I think me and my boy are about done today, man. Literally, I've caught probably, what'd you say? How many bass you think I caught today, bro?
I'll put it probably close to 15.
15. Damn, the mic piece came off. Put your rubber on. Yesterday, and how many of them were keepers, bro?
Just one. We had a total of 16 because I caught one. And if you can't tell, the sun is blazing today.
Is that a big old snakehead right there? I'm gonna try to catch it. We're gonna try to get one for y'all on the cam though. But definitely, I threw top water. I caught them on top water today. I caught them on shaky heads today. I caught them Texas rigging today. What else I catch them on? Wacky rig, Texas rig,
Top water.
top water, shaky head.
Called a top water sunfish.
Big old sunfish too. That thing is monumental. Super huge. You ready? You ready, Mitch?
Yep.
I think I got one. Let's see if we get one. Oh no! It felt so good. Let's see if we can get us one on the cam.